Now more than ever before, Fiji, like many Pacific Island countries, is becoming increasingly vulnerable to the impacts of climate change and natural disasters. The Jobs for Nature 2.0 project, or JFN2, aims to create jobs that will also assist communities with their conservation and environmental protection work, restoration and environmental rehabilitation efforts, and waste management. JFN2 is a community-centered initiative that will award funds of up to $20,000 to successful groups that are either registered village cooperatives, civil society organizations, or especially women and registered youth groups in Fiji. The Jobs for Nature 2.0 project is focused on these key areas: wetlands protection, such as mangrove planting, seagrass planting, restoring waterways, waste and wastewater management, riverbank rehabilitation and coastal bank protection, like mangrove planting and vetiver grass planting, and enhancing biodiversity, such as forest restoration, land upgrade through native tree planting, and coral reef protection. The Jobs for Nature 2.0 project is our joint commitment from government, including partners working for, with and about communities, to come together for the protection and rehabilitation of our precious natural resources and our environment, while also helping to strengthen the resilience of our communities for generations to come. If you are a member of a registered village cooperative or community group and are interested in contributing to nature-based solutions, send your questions to jobsfornature2@gmail.com or call or text 9908 or 9908 or check us out on Facebook at Ministry of Economy, or simply visit www.economy.gov.fj or the Ministry of Environment at www.mowe.gov.fj for more information.